Hey friends, happy end of November. I'm Natasha coming to you live from my living room, and I want to talk about what, if anything, have you left undone this month. And I wanted to talk about this really quickly because I have a call at 5 o'clock, because one thing that I've learned in these past 10 months of my business is you should not leave anything undone when it comes to the end of the month. And I think this has really inspired me to do a lot more for myself in my personal life, in my business life, in my life as a nurse, and I really want to use that fire that I feel right now, that hype that I feel right now, to hype you guys up as well. And this is the reason why. When it comes to the end of the day, or the end of the month, the end of the year, we only have this one life to live. And if we live in a place of fear, if we feed that fear our energy, we're gonna come to the end of the month every month and always have things that are left undone, that are left unsaid, and that we kind of have regrets about, or we kind of wonder what could have been, what would have been if we had put energy into those things instead of placing that energy into fear. And if you guys are watching me live, thank you so much for being here. I see Stevie, I see Julie in the house. You guys type live in the comments if you're watching me live. And I don't know if you saw my post that I did earlier today, but it was about social shaming. It was about pouring energy into fear instead of pouring energy into what really drives you, into what that purpose is that you were really put here on this earth to achieve. And it's Friday night. You guys are probably getting off of work. You guys are probably tired and exhausted from your week, from your work week, from all of the busyness that's happened. And I want you guys to really do something that I've been doing tonight, is really take the time to reflect on this past week, on this past month, and ask yourself, what is it that you're still lacking that there's probably a solution out there in this world for? What is it that you're not having? Are you not getting enough time with family? Are you not getting enough time with your friends? Are you slaving day in and day out for that job that doesn't really give you the respect that you need, that respect that you deserve, or that's not actually going to lead you anywhere? Are you still struggling to pay your bills or to pay off that debt, and do you have that hanging over your head like a huge burden? If it is, I want to challenge you to leave nothing left undone this month, leave no stone unturned this month, to really get to a place where you're happy with your life, and to make moves on that and to take action on that, because there are so many opportunities out there if you can only open your eyes to the possibilities. And if you're feeling me on this, type me in the comments or give me some pink hearts. You know I love pink hearts. And I think this is kind of sometimes hard to hear coming from another person. It's something that you have to really harbor and nurture inside yourself, that belief that there are possibilities, that there are solutions for the problems that you have. One of my biggest problems was debt, struggling with my student loan debt, struggling with this idea that I would have to work so much overtime, that I have to put in all these hours at work, that I couldn't take any kind of leave of absence because I'm tied to this debt every single month with a payment that is probably more than a lot of people's rents, to be honest. It's probably a lot more than a lot of people's mortgages, to be honest, because I came out of my master's degree program with over $100,000 in student loan debt between my master's degree and my undergrad degree. And that was like probably the biggest fire burning underneath my butt back in January to make a change in my life and to find another option, to look around outside of the box, outside of adding on another job to my plate where I had to clock in and clock out, outside of adding on 4 hours to the end of my already long 12-hour shift. And if you're a nurse, you feel me. Those extra 4 hours are so daunting, they're so overwhelming, and they can be so completely stressful. So you guys, I want to stress to you guys right now in this moment, as you're saying goodbye to November and hello to December and hello to the end of the year, not to leave any stone left unturned and not leave any opportunity unexplored. And I have a really great opportunity that I can't stop talking about. Obviously, if you see me enough on my Facebook, I can't stop talking about how I love the company that I work with, how I love this business that I work with, how I love the team that I work with, who shows up every single day to help each other, to uplift each other, to keep our minds positive, and to teach us step by step how to launch a business online, how to use social media to market in a way that's not sleazy, that actually builds lasting relationships and helps you meet new people, helps you help each other and help your community, and in return earns you financial rewards for that work and that place of service that your heart is coming from. And I guess Chewy wants to join us. He's always trying to get in the video. Hi, Chewy. He actually comes and sits in the seat when I'm done with my live videos and just like watches me walk around the house. It's really cute. But I want to stress that you guys, that if you are not happy with where you're at, if you're not happy with the business opportunity you're taking advantage of, if you're not happy with the amount of work that it takes for you to get by in life, for you to pay your bills in life, then I would love to invite you into just a quick conversation to hear a little bit about why I made the choice that I did to get started with this company, and I can answer your questions about exactly what does it take, like the time commitment, the financial commitment, how many people you have to talk to or not talk to, what it's like actually posting and running a business on social media, and I'd be more than happy to answer those questions for you, especially tonight while we still have those $200 worth of free products going out for all of our new business partners. So send me a message. I would love to chat and answer your questions. And if you know someone who needs motivation to push themselves to a better place in life, click that share button and share this video out to anyone who you can even fathom might need this, who you can even think of, because fathom doesn't really work in that sentence, right? Who you can even think of might possibly need this video, because I want to share this motivation with them too. Hey Karen, thank you so much for watching, and you guys, I'm gonna go get on a call, and I hope you guys all have a great night. Bye.